Vechain, a man in a real sense, shows a kind of descending pattern in a kind of significant way as far as VET support florid especially is now 2 cents, which for the most part is really big, kind of in opposition to mainstream thinking that completely hits a wall at 2 cents in a very significant way. Vechain is worth exactly 1 cent on the 13th of May 2023. This is true in every way. In this video, we'll walk you through the Vechain cost exam for now or for a week from now, and you should try to answer these questions regularly. We'll also explain some things. What is a reasonable short-term price estimate for Vechain? Venture, Vechain support and opposition levels, etc., which is very important and very big. But before we get too deep into the VET's technical research, let's talk about the kind of economy we have now, which is very important and very big. Market analysis shows that, contrary to what most people think, there was a loss of 1.84% in the last 24 hours, bringing the total value of the digital money market to $1.219.565.157. This shows that market analysis in an unpretentious way, which is very large, shows that the total trading volume remains at $29.326 billion, $280,073. Bitcoin shares 46.38% of the entry market, while Ethereum generally has a predominance of 16.33%, which especially is very huge, which especially basically brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to 26,820.38 cents level after a vertical development of 2%, which generally is very huge. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum in every way that really matters explicitly, has seen a cost increment of 1.27%, coming to $1,793.04 during the past 24 hours in a kind of large manner, while distributing this blog BNB exchanged at 309.58 following a value change of 1.44 inside a similar time period, showing that VET basically faces opposition at 2 cents, which actually essentially is very critical. XRP, the pretty truly local coin of XRP, essentially is up by 0.53 and at present exchanging at 43 cents, exhibiting that Vechain's a man a real sense shows a kind of descending pattern which most certainly explicitly is genuinely huge. Furthermore, after losing 0.77% of its value, Coco's BCX dropped to 60 cents. This is usually a very big drop. All of these things show that the market is going down and has been for a very short time. All over the crypto market, there is a general kind of bad drop, showing that as far as the VET support floor goes, it is now 2 cents in a simple way. Vechain backing an opposition, showing how as far as VET support floor it basically is presently 2 cents, which truly is genuinely huge. Backing and obstruction truly are significant specialized pointers used to truly recognize sort of key cost levels where the pattern can take an alternate route, which especially shows what sort of brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $26,820.38 level after a vertical development of 2%. Which certainly is very huge. Support basically is a level at which purchasers in every practical sense become more dynamic and explicitly prevent the coin as cost from falling any further. Appearance how Vechain backing in opposition, showing how as far as that support floor it generally basically is presently 2 cents, which quite the most part is genuinely huge. Similarly, opposition especially is a level at which merchants fundamentally move especially dynamic and in every practical sense prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which basically shows that as of now a really broad, most certainly bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, exhibiting how as far as VET support floor it especially is presently 2 cents or so. They in every way that really matters by and large thought in a significant way following generally basically are the help and obstruction levels of Vechain execution. The by and large genuinely current Vechain cost basically for the most part is 1 cent with an exchanging volume of $26,295,703 in the beyond 24 hours or so. They thought presently that actually for the most part is up by 1.82 since yesterday with a market capitalization of $1 billion. $389,618,445 USD in a kind of significant manner. Vechain value study vet cost examination for the 13th of May 2023 inside a very everyday time period fundamentally made sense of beneath which explicitly is genuinely critical. We utilize especially relative strength index moving in every practical sense by and large normal combination and dissimilarity backing levels obstruction levels different time span moving midpoints including truly straightforward moving commonly normal and dramatic moving all things considered normal to dissect the future development of the Vechain in a for the most part enormous manner. Or so they thought. The Vechain explicitly has in every way that really matters essentially break all its especially upholds levels and things by and large are not looking fundamentally great for the crypto market exhibiting how moreover Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem decently especially as opposed to prevalent thinking presently in every practical sense especially bears in a real sense are in charge of the market and effectively sort of take that cost underneath the vital help level of 2 cents which quite shows that similarly obstruction by and large certainly is a level at which merchants generally become move extremely dynamic and especially prevent the coin as cost from moving higher which certainly shows that as of now a very truly broad truly bad plan lunch can be seen all through the crypto market exhibiting how as far as vet support floor it essentially for the most part is currently 2 cents. Which fundamentally is genuinely huge while Vet's Williams percent R pointer especially is at 26.667 for the 14-day time span demonstrating an impartial condition an exchange kind of sign generally explicitly is essentially truly conceivable at this reach which explicitly shows that Vet in a real sense faces obstruction at 2 cents in an unpretentious manner the Vet USD moving in every practical sense fundamentally normal union and difference pointer. In particular is showing an especially current generally sell signal because the MACD line is moving below the especially certainly signal line, which means specifically that it's time to sell. Bears explicitly are ruling on the lookout most certainly further appearance how as far as vent support floor it varies currently 2 cents or so they actually for the most part thought the truly relative strength record for Vetcoin certainly is right now floating at 38 for 14 days pretty normal line which generally implies that in a real sense is simply recuperating from an oversold condition so Vechain support and obstruction levels and so on in an especially large manner incredibly fence from the specialized investigation the for the most part by and large pattern of the Vechain in a real sense all things considered is as yet negative be that as it may the value activity could in every way that really matters explicitly